Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel JDSM Podcast. Return with me, Sanatan Rama Arafi with two of my friends out of three.
My name is Diki Riswanto.
And my name is Ronald Toranona.
And today we are going to talk about Fantastic Beasts, the trilogy. Oh, and this Agus. Let's go.
Saya tuh Agus guys.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Gila, baju baru coy.
So, first thing first, I think we should talk about the story or the plot of the movie as a whole. For the first movie, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
What opinion do you guys have with this overall story for Fantastic Beasts and where to find it?
Okay, I think in the first, I think in the first film, the first film is a good movie,
Good movie.
balanced and enjoyable for we can see from the three film other.
Yeah. I do also think that out of the three movies, the first movie is definitely, I don't know about the best one, but I think it's the better one overall. Yeah, it is a fresh take from Harry Potter. It is filled with new characters, and it is to the point with the entire theme of the movie, which is fantastic. What do you think, Sawan?
Okay, in my opinion, sounds like a geeky. I like this movie because movie offer new story about mythical animal and make me nostalgic about Harry Potter because I Potterhead gitu sih.
I agree. Okay.
That's good.
Okay. And what about the characters? What do you think about the characters? I personally love Jacob
Why?
because first of all he's fat like me.
Yeah.
He's the Muggle, but I do have to say that he's probably the most interesting Muggle character in all of the universe. Even Harry Potter. He is funny, he's competent, he's also realistic.
Yes.
What about two of you? What about you?
Yes. Okay. For me, basically, finally I like Tina sister.
Winnie.
Yes, Winnie.
As predicted, she likes the blood.
Blood woman, right?
For the first one, yes, she's blonde.
Okay.
Okay, and for me, she have a important scene where Tina, Jacob, and Nell has to escape to Sinatra, I think. And
I think yes.
yes, and Winnie save three.
The three of them.
Yes.
Okay. And I guess your favorite character must be you.
It's common. Yes.
Yeah, I think in this first film, I know so like the news, right?
Yeah. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah. That's
I think it is
completely
fun,
valid.
but
Yeah.
the new, in my opinion, the new is the kind,
Yeah.
right? And the new is the different character with another character in this film. I think in the first film, Newt have a kind with another animals. They have a they can giving the bone with another animals, and the animals can chew with her, with
Yeah.
him. And I like the new because she also unique.
It really is really different than Harry Potter.
Yes.
Then do you guys have any least likable character? Since I seems to sense that out of all the four main characters, we don't mention anything about Tina, so it seems. Yeah. Tina is okay. I admit she is rather annoying, but well, she is still an important character.
Yes.
Yes. Then what else should we talk about? I think the setting. I think the overall setting of the movie is really well put. New York especially, where every animal has escaped. It's really well put. Oh, then what about the animals? What are your guys' favorite animal? What favorite magical beast? Since this is fantastic beast.
Okay,
Could begin with either of you.
I have
Uh,
two favorite magical beasts.
I can guess one.
Wow.
Niffler.
Yes. Pokemon I like Niffler
it's
because
like you.
Yeah. You like some money.
yeah, it feels like a money, gold,
Hello.
something like that.
Yes.
And for the last, I like Thunderbirds.
Thunderbirds. Okay. Yes. The main animal of the story. Okay. What about you, Nikki?
That's interest. I think you're like animal, but I have different animal I like. I like the name I forgot the
Okay.
sweeping evil.
Swimming
Evil.
Is it the small pet-like thing?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
The sweeping evil is the important animals in the, especially in the first film, right?
Yes.
Just have the news and get the
Yes.
grave in the ending in the film, right?
Yeah. For me, it's definitely. I think it's called the Okami.
Fun.
Yeah, it's the blue and purple snake with
yes,
wings
yes.
that can change its shape.
Yeah, remember.
I think it's the most unique one, and the CGI definitely do it justice. Is there anything you guys want to talk about?
I think what's the animals?
What?
Or Okami.
Okami.
Okami, that's unique, I think.
Yeah, it's unique. Okay, thank you.
That's good.
What else to be talk about?
Can we talk about a spell?
Okay.
Okay.
Spells are indeed an important aspect of Harry Potter universe. Yes. So, since you both have your first turn, I think it's only fair if I have mine. Mine favorite spell is a rather common spell, but it's apparition.
Apparition.
The teleportation spell.
Oh yes.
You especially use it so beautifully. I almost cursed, sorry. Yeah. You use it so beautifully that I don't feel like the the 6 movies of Harry Potter do the spell justice unlike the Fantastic Beasts movies. What about you?
But me, the first, right?
Yeah.
I think I like about the spell, yeah. I like the Legilimens. Yeah. You know Legilimens.
What is that?
Legilimens is the spell who the person handle another person thinking.
Oh, like
Yeah.
mind control.
Mind control. Can anyone know about that person? About that? What does it mean?
Oh, mind
Yeah.
reading.
Oh,
Right.
yeah.
Yeah. One first. I have to spell.
okay.
Yeah. And one more, and I think this is unique, but I forget the name.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, it's book is dedicated.
Yes.
I forget to what random spell. Wait.
Okay.
I think I know
This-
this spell, but I can only guess.
Ah.
What was yours?
Okay. My second spell I like. My favorite is Amordania. You know
Amordania.
Yeah,
What spell is that?
that used when the Queenie doctrine the
Doctrine.
doctrine the things about the Jacob.
Oh,
For the
so he likes her.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
I'm just wanna doing that for my real life, right?
Yeah, that's not no. No.
That's not nice. I think that's good.
That one about you.
Me? I have two spell I like.
Oh, another 2 spells.
Yes.
Alright. I can guess one at least.
For the first one I like Oklahoma. You know Oklahoma?
Oklahoma.
Wait. Alabama.
Yes, the name Oklahoma.
Oh, Alomora. It must be the bang spell.
Yes.
Bang spell.
Open
Yeah.
spell for open the door
Mm.
and what he said, open the bag.
Bangs, okay. The
And
second one?
the second one is Akio.
Akio. Oh, that's the
Akio.
spell to grab things from above.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
yeah.
Akio.
Akio.
Yeah.
That's pretty
Aki
expensive.
Okay. I think we could agree that the first Fantastic movie is good, especially fun. Yes, it is fun and a really different experience than Harry Potter. I think that's all for the first movie. We'll cut this and continue for the second movie in the second segment. Bye.
Bye.
Welcome again everyone for the second session. And again, my name is Sadat and there's Vicky and Awa for the second movie of Fantastic Beasts, Crimes of Grindelwald. By the way, say hi to Agus. He just changed form, but for after this intro, he will change back to his natural form. Let's go, right? Let's go. Alright, so same business as the first one. What do you guys think about the second movie? I personally, I think the first movie is better since it's. Oh, hey, Agus just changed his form back. Agus is writer feisty, I see. Anyway, I think the second movie is it's still good, but I don't think it has the same vibe as the first one. Since there's definitely less animal, less magical beasts. Yeah, but it has a lot of action, a lot of lore. Do you guys have any ideas on it? Any thoughts? Any opinions?
Yeah, I think in the second film, right?
Okay.
The title is the what? Crimes
Of Grindelwald.
of the Grindelwald. Yeah, it is most especially say about the Grindelwald that term, right? So in my opinion, the film tells movie is more the darker, right? And movie complicated. The story focus more the I think it, but like in politics, right?
Oh, okay. It
Yeah.
does involve a lot of politics.
A lot of
Yeah.
politics. So the film is most good and then have a plot the same in the with the first movie.
It's different, right? It's
It's
different.
different, but it's the same.
Okay.
It's the same.
Yes, same opinion.
Yes, sounds like Dicky opinion. This movie is darker and more complex than the first film.
Okay.
While the first movie is focused on magical adventure
Okay.
and one of fantastic beasts.
Yeah.
In the second films, for ideological conflict, power, and the struggle between the user.
I agree.
How about you?
I think I did. I have already shared my piece on my opinion of the entire movie. It definitely lacks the same vibe. Then the first movie is less whimsical. It's more action, more gritty. Yeah, it's more dark overall.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
I think we could start with. Yeah, here they go. That's fine. We just wanna make. I think the second movie. Let's start with the most important plot. Credence. Yes. As the cousin of Albus Dumbledore.
Yeah.
Probably, I think he is the main antagonist or one of the main antagonists, right? Yeah. I think he's a good character, but I personally still think that Grindelwald takes the cake in this one.
Yes, I agree.
I agree.
Why you say that? What do you want?
Grindelwald is an overall better character because he has the aura. Yes. His appearance is white snow with different colored eyes of silver star, right? And he's overall more menacing, portrayed by Johnny Depp, my beloved.
Oh yes.
That's good. And I don't intend to discourage Ezra Miller as Credence, but I think as the main antagonist of an entire trilogy, Grindelwald takes the cake and is better overall. Oh, speaking of characters, do you guys have any a different favorite characters for this second movie? Because mine is definitely Grindelwald, unlike my first movie, which is Jacob, for obvious reason. Maybe you? Yeah, ada favorite character?
For you.
You.
I have two favorite characters.
Another two.
Yeah, there are two more characters. First one is Grindelwald.
Okay.
Same, right?
And
Yes, and the second one is Nagini.
Oh,
the snake.
Yeah, Snake.
Okay.
Snake person.
The character brings a tragic and emotional depth to the story. As a Benedictus man, she is slowly losing her humanity because of curse. And curse.
Oscars.
Yes, Thor. And Nagi is not portrayed really as a monster,
Okay.
but as victim of cruel crush, offering a new perspective on a character lost associated with darkness.
Hmm. And that is a rather interesting thing. What about you? Any favorite characters? Perhaps different than you?
Oh, yeah, the new is my favorite.
Okay.
Yeah, again,
Okay.
in first movie.
Loyal,
Yes,
loyal,
loyal. Wait a minute, guys.
Oh yeah.
So the second, I think I like the one and only Credence. The Obscuria.
The other main antagonist, the Obscuria. Oh, spoiler.
Yeah, aduh.
Spoiler alert, guys.
But the Credence, why I like the Credence? Because the Credence, when I see the Credence is I'm sad there. I think I'm sad when
Oh, sad.
yeah,
Related.
Related.
Uh,
not related, but wow. But I'm just sad when he feel treated by his mom, right?
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
mom. Oh, yes,
Yeah, kan?
yes.
Okay, I think
okay.
I feel sad, and the Credence is a tragic character.
Tragic character.
Yes,
Right. I can get to that. You can understand that. Hmm. Speaking of characters, Awang, I think you have some to explain.
Oh,
Yeah. See, one of my favorite characters, if we don't include Grindelwald, is Jacob. And we all know that Jacob and Queenie is a good partner, right? A good ship.
Yeah.
yes.
So why in the actual world does Queenie betray Newt, Jacob, and the others to go with Grindelwald in the epic scene of Ring of Fire?
I think Uni is one of my favorite too.
Yes.
Because she's portrayed as a gentle and emotional. Her decision to join Grindelwald is shocking.
Yeah, why?
But maybe is it from her desire to life really?
Or to live really?
Yes, and love without limitation.
Love without limitation.
In my opinion.
I think, in my opinion, Queenie perhaps wanted to join Grindelwald because she believes Grindelwald is right. That Muggle could destroy them with weaponry. Since the setting is World War One.
Oh yeah.
Yes, from tanks, jet. Yeah, I think Grindelwald and Queenie, for that matter, understand how dangerous humans are. Right. So, back for the last topic, probably our favorite topic for this segment, for every segment, that is Fantastic Beasts, the Fantastic Beasts themselves. I noticed that there is a lack of magical monsters in this movie. But what is your favorites?
Who go first?
You go
You will go first.
Please, you go first. I found my fantasy beast with the animal.
How long is Fantastic Beasts character in the film? The film too, right?
Yes.
I like Kelpie.
Kelpie.
Yes.
Not the Niffler again. Ah, okay. I like Kelpie.
I think Kelpie is like a cool creature.
Cool creature. Alright.
Kelpie is a water spirit that can change into form as well as a beauty as well as a danger. I find the Kelpie fascinating because it's represented wild and uncontrollable type of magical creature.
Okay. My favorite character is rather similar with the Kelpie. Since Newt and the gang write it too. It's Zogu,
Zomu.
the big cat.
Oh,
The cat with the glowing mane that can teleport.
That's so cool.
Yeah. You guys know that I love apparition, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Zogu is the only creature that could not the only creature, but probably one of the only creature other than witches that could, well, teleport.
Yes.
Which is make them really cool. And what about you? Do you finally remember?
Yeah. I remember my fantasy beast.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think it is the just one in second film, right?
Okay.
I think the name is Bo Tracker.
Bo Tracker.
Ah,
Yes, a classic.
The small animal who have uh he is like leaf, yeah.
Yes.
Like leaf, and she can open the every door, every door and key from in every situation. Yeah.
That's a useful.
In hard situation, the boat tracker have the need for the open every lock
Okay.
door, in every
Okay.
situation.
That's-
And have access.
That's a
For
smart
mission.
page. Smart page. Smart page.
Yeah.
Right. I think that's all. Yeah. For the second movie. Or is there anything else you want?
Oh no, I wanna say, what you guys preferred scene about the second movie?
Oh yeah.
Every scene of the second movie.
Chill.
Since you go last time, you must go first now. Okay. What is your favorite scene?
My favorite scene, yeah.
Yes.
In the second film, I think when what, yeah?
Maybe.
Maybe when Dumbledore fight with Credence.
Okay. That's
yeah.
a good scene. That's a good
That's I
scene.
that's I think the family, right?
Yes,
Family fight.
definitely. Family pie.
So when Dumbledore feel not good when fight with Credence,
Conflicted.
conflicted.
Yeah.
It's okay. That's a good scene, I think. I think you same with me.
Yes, but you had the same favorite scene. Like the
Good scene, bro.
when Credence revealed his power.
Oh.
This moment is visually intense and emotional, powerful, showing his inner struggle and the destructive force he has of Korea.
No, it's good. Yeah. Yes. That's a big twist.
Yes,
Twist.
yes.
My favorite scene is of course from my beloved antagonist, Gellert Grindelwald. The last scene.
The last scene.
With the blue fire.
Oh,
That's probably one of the most beautiful scenes in all of Harry Potter.
I think it's a big scene.
Yes, that's a great scene, I think.
Yes.
Because it is emotional. Those who want to join him must either be fully loyal or be completely burned into ashes. I think that's all for the second segment. Yeah, we just cut here for today. We just cut here for now, and we'll continue until the third segment for the last movie, which is Return of Dumbledore. Secrets of Dumbledore. Yeah. See you next time in a few seconds. Bye bye. Hello guys, welcome back to our third and final session for the last movie of this trilogy, Fantastic Beasts.
Yes, sir.
Secrets of Dumbledore.
Okay.
Right. So, by the way, Agus has just returned. Yeah, from his break.
Always here.
Okay. Let's wrap this up, I guess. Yeah. So, first things first. I want to hear your opinion about the story, the overall plot of the Secrets of Dumbledore. Care to share your opinion?
Yes. My first, I think the last film in the Fantastic Beasts in trilogy.
Yes.
The last film is tells about, I think, in my opinion, the film tells about war strategy. I think. It is the war strategy
Oh,
when the Dumbledore teams versus the Grindelwald teams. Yeah. And that person. It is the war. Every person, every in the politics. I think in the politics, I think it's so many trick for doing something
Okay,
from
so
the Dumbledore perspective.
see.
Yeah.
So what do you?
For my opinion, basically I don't watch the last movie from Fantastic Beasts become Mouse.
Gosh.
They changed cast.
Yes. I do know my favorite
Yeah.
character is Cass. Yes.
Who to cast?
Yeah, that's true.
Matt Nicholson,
And
Johnny Depp.
yes,
Yes.
and like Zoom.
For Grindelwald, for the third movie especially, Johnny Depp has been cast out and replaced by another brilliant actor, Matt Nicholson.
Yes.
But we'll talk about that later.
Yes.
Yes. Since I just want to talk about the story first.
Okay.
Me personally, I think it is I don't think it is bad, but it's definitely more in tune with the second movie, with the sequel, right? Yes. It's more grounded. It's more dramatical, more emotional.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think it's got a lot more to do with wizards rather than with the Fantastic Beasts themselves.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Uh,
I think that is cool and important.
right. I think the lack of Fantastic Beasts, the lack of magical creature in the movie kind of killed it a bit. But I do think the plot is still good. It's still relevant with the entire movie. Yes. Okay.
I agree.
So that being said, I think we should talk about the characters. I think okay. Disclaimer: I don't have any negative opinion on Matt Nicholson. I think he's a brilliant actor who did well, especially in Hannibal TV series. However, I do have to say that his performance in uh, Fantastic Beasts: Secrets of Dumbledore had been underwhelming.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's true.
he had a different vibe than Matt Nicholson.
Oh, Johnny Depp.
Yes, Johnny Depp.
Oh, okay. And
Yes. I don't know. I think that's all. He's just less crazy. I think.
okay. That's crazy. Then Johnny Depp.
Yes.
Okay.
But my favorite character has definitely changed him to who was it again? The vice principal of Dumbledore. No. McGonagall.
Oh,
Yes.
Professor McGonagall.
Yeah, McGonagall. Ooh, and we are so weird. What past guys? What the heck? Okay, I think McGonagall is definitely my favorite character from the third movie, or perhaps it's Newt. But yeah, it goes around back to Newt as the main character. But McGonagall probably is my favorite character. What's yours for you two?
My first or you?
You first.
I think my favorite character in the last movie, mm, Dumbledore.
Okay,
Yeah, Dumbledore.
yeah, I think Dumbledore is also a good character.
Yeah,
Yeah, he's younger. He's younger.
yeah, Dumbledore is good. I think he managed he team
Hmm.
for doing the war. Oh, for doing the strategy
Okay.
for everything. So we can see and the portrait, the Dumbledore is the leader from the team.
Yes.
I think.
He is a competent leader. What about you?
Sounds like a Dicky.
Oh, sounds like a Dicky.
Because I don't haven't watched a movie, but I watched a trailer.
Oh, what's the trailer?
Yes. I see the Dumbledore has a powerful spell.
Yes,
Dumbledore is my favorite character.
Okay.
Mm.
Oh, speaking of spells, I do think that another lacking aspect in this movie is the spells, the magic.
Okay.
Yes. In the first two movies, there are a lot more creative with the spells. Yeah, from the smoke spell, apparition, oblivion, accio, and your entire mind mystery spell. It is more creative. However, in this, I don't think there are a lot of variety aside from perhaps duplicating stuff and shooting laser. Yeah, like Expelliarmus. I think that's another lacking aspect for the third movie.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, okay. What else should we talk about? Perhaps the setting. I do think the setting is really beautiful. What was it again? The setting?
I think they said that's
It's in the mountain, right?
yes in the
In the mountain.
Mountain. Bu.
Busan.
Oh, Bhutan.
Bhutan, yes.
Yes,
Yes,
Bhutan.
Bhutan.
I
It's
think
true.
the setting, especially for the second act of the movie, is really beautiful. Yeah, with the
Yeah.
entire mist, it's more mystical. Yeah, since it's not like New York or London, right?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. What else?
Same lah.
Yeah, same. What else could you talk about? Perhaps we should talk about.
I will say about the beast, you know,
Oh,
about the beast in
the magical creatures.
beast in the last movie.
Yeah.
You
It's
know
not.
about it?
Mhm.
Yeah, I think the animal I like in the last movie, the killing.
Okay.
Killing
The main prospect of
Oh.
the movie. Okay, I agree. I can agree with that.
The
Yes.
killing is the portrait, like Manusian portrait, people portrait. Sorry,
Human.
human portrait.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just have a feel like a human. That shows the
Destiny, the chosen,
Yeah,
the
the
chosen.
as a like a person,
Okay.
and it just the mukum. It just by the killing, you know.
Oh, the leader of the
Sorry guys.
Yeah.
In the world, yes, the by the killing. I like the killing.
Oh, okay, I think in that regard, one of the main aspect of the movie I do like is the symbolism and the political.
Yeah.
Yes. Since Gallagher Grindelwald proved that charisma can brought you from a prisoner, a refugee, into a leader, or at least a candidate for a leader of an entire group of powerful wizard.
Wizarding world.
Yes. Oh, then what about your favorite creatures? There are a lot of creatures.
Maybe I don't have a favorite creature because I don't watch this movie.
I think that's fair.
Yeah,
I think it's fair.
You must see that.
Okay,
But
after that I will see the movie.
I
you
think
must.
for me, it's definitely from the second trailer. I think, yeah, it is a big creature too. Yeah, it is called Manticore.
Called Manticore.
Manticore. It's just called Manticore. Yes, it is like a lion.
Oh.
A lion, but with scorpion tail. Yeah, that goes like this with the dance.
Oh,
I
yeah.
think it's one of the funniest in the entire trilogy.
Yeah.
Manticore, just a good scene. I think overall as a trilogy, the three movies have
Manticore.
the three movies have good CGI.
Yeah.
Definitely a lot of creativity from J.K. Rowling as well
Yes.
as an author, and from the producer who can, what is it, art sketch.
Yes, art sketch.
Illustration for the design of the creatures. They are really creative with
Yeah.
the designs.
I'm agree about that. And about the cinematography, the film in every film in 1, 2, 3 film, it's good. I think.
Yes, I think it's also good. The production quality is, yes, the
Yeah.
production quality is always steady. So it's good. Are there anything else we could talk about for that movie?
Yeah. What do you think about
Any critics? Yeah, any critics or perhaps any good opinions?
Oh, I just wanna ask you, what trilogy movie? What's the one of you guys favorite?
Oh,
yeah.
I've made that clear from the first segment. I think the first movie is the best. The first movie is definitely the best one out of the three. It has the liveliest vibe. It has the most magical creatures.
Yes.
It stays true to the theme, and it is fun.
Okay. I agree with you.
Yeah. And I think my favorite movie in the trilogy, right? I think the last movie.
The last
movie.
Oh,
Okay, expected.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
I think the last movie is the good managing from the Dumbledore and Grindelwald, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I think in the quality too.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the message.
Yeah, that have the message in. I think in really life we really know.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Since the third movie is definitely more like battle, right? A war. That begs the question: what is your favorite movie of the trilogy?
My favorite movie of the trilogy is the second one.
The second one. Oh, so the Detroit completes us.
Yes.
First, third, second.
Yeah.
Why the second one?
I like the second one because in the movie, when a Grindelwald like the fire, do you remember it?
Yes.
The ring the fire.
The best scene.
Yes.
Absolute cinema.
Blue fire, right?
I love the cinema.
That is the big scene from the trilogy movie. That's my opinion.
I think that concludes our review of the Fantastic Beasts trilogy. It may be short, but I think it has been enjoyable to talk with this with you guys.
Okay.
And it has been enjoyable to talk this with all of you. Alright? Leave the comment down below, leave likes, and perhaps pray so that we could upload another video, press a shorter video for the next time. Plus with the other members, since we are JDSM
Family.
family, there are 5 of us. Yeah, there is Diki, Awang, Sadat. There's also Fikri and Thomas, which the pictures will be here, 2 of them, the face.
Yeah.
And there's also Agus, but he just disappears. I don't know where. Yeah, as the unofficial 6th member. I think that's all for today. For this conversation, I hope we can meet you again in the future.
Yes.
Thank you and see you later.
Thank you guys. See you.